I'm Bregan.
I'm Carrie.
And I'm Darren.
And we are the designers from Extreme Makeover Home Edition. And this is the meaning of the makeover.
Guys, what about the Mosley family from Bakersfield, California?
I love Jessica, and I mean, she had 4 teenage girls in that house.
Yeah.
I mean, adoption is an option, even for a single mom.
Yeah.
I want to make sure you all know exactly why we're here to help the Mosley family.
We're the Mosley family from Kern County, California. Woo!
My name is Jessica Mosley, and I have 2 biological children. Jordan is 12 and Mackenzie is 15. Their father, Lucius, and I are very close friends. We communicate very well, and it's really great and positive to have that relationship with him. I've been a social worker for 18 years, and back in 2015, 3 siblings, Cheyenne, Annie, and Miguel, were placed on my caseload. They were just great kids, but it's very difficult to place older children in large sibling groups. So they were deemed non-adoptable by the judge, like they'll never be adopted. It was something that was heavy on my heart, and I knew I had to fix that. I talked to Lucius and my parents about it, and on October 20th, 2017, I adopted Cheyenne, Annie, and Miguel.
When we got adopted, we didn't feel like foster kids anymore. We felt like family and we felt loved.
I have a picture of my dad and Cheyenne at the adoption day in court. My dad's holding Cheyenne so tight. He was just filled with joy. My dad went as far as to purchase us a home, and it was such a relief to be able to provide my kids their own space and a stable living environment. We just moved in, and then a month later, I received a call. That was a day I'll never forget. It was a sheriff's officer on the other line. Sorry. Your dad was involved in an accident. She said, honey, I'm sorry, but he didn't make it.
When he passed away, the VA loan was not able to be transferred to my name. So a few months later, we had to move into my mom's house.
To have 7 people in a 3-bedroom house with 1 shower has been very difficult. I share a bedroom with my mom. I feel, in a sense, I'm burdening her.
It's hard, but I would give up everything for these kids. They mean the world to me.
It's not easy feeling like you've failed, like as a parent, or you've like let your children down. I just want nothing more than all 5 of the kids to trust in me as their mother, to provide for them, guide them in the right direction, and give them everything that they deserve and they've never had.
I think that the only 2 words I can think of to describe Jessica Mosley is ultimate mother. Am I right?
Thanks for watching, and for more Extreme Makeover Home Edition content and episodes, visit HGTV Go at hgtv.com.